Hello and welcome to the first lesson in the Introduction to Viral Marketing video course. During this course, we will discuss the basics of viral marketing, and I will do my best to give you an overview of what it is, how it works, and how you can use it effectively to market your business. In this first lesson, let's start by talking about the different types of viral marketing. As we dive into the wonderful world of viral marketing, I want you to keep something in mind. A true viral campaign gets forwarded from person to person because consumers are compelled to share it. Now, in the beginning, email was the main way that viral marketing was passed along. Since then, viral marketing has gone from a marketing strategy to an art form, and there are many ways to accomplish your objectives and create a successful viral marketing campaign. Now, in this particular video, we are going to go over some of the different types of viral marketing vehicles or methods that can be used to build your own campaign so that you can become more familiar with them. We're going to start at the very beginning with email. While email was the first real vehicle for viral marketing as we know it, it is still being used and it is still getting a little harder to achieve results with this method as more and more government restrictions are being placed on commercial emails. So still, it does work. Now, the key to using email to spread your viral marketing message is to give your recipients something of interest that they will forward to their friends. And that's what makes it viral. Family, coworkers, whomever. While making sure that you comply with the rules and regulations set by government spam laws, the main objective of your email campaign is branding. Now, in order to achieve greater success and maximum exposure for your offer, you should do your best to craft your email message in a way that encourages your readers to pass it along to others. Now, just suggesting that your recipients forward your message to their friends and relatives is not viral marketing. That's just word of the mouth marketing. A message at the bottom of your email that reads, "Feel free, forward this message to your friend." That's not even close to viral marketing at its best. Now, on the other hand, if something is worthy of sharing, such as a big discount, valuable information, a premium service, a funny joke, or a contagious video is included in the email, viral marketing happens naturally and is quite successful. So the bottom line is that your message must be perceived as having value. Value. Relevant or timely information, research, or studies are all good examples of content that might be viewed as potential pass-along material. Then we have interactive content like a quiz or text can inspire forwarding, especially if it is fun. Personality tests, fitness quizzes, or compatibility questionnaires are all things that have been passed on by many people many times. Why? Because they are entertaining, and entertainment has value. Even with all the new laws in effect today, email is the ultimate word of mouth marketing tool. You see, if your message is viral in nature, your customer can quickly and easily forward it to their friends and family, spreading your message to an ever-growing list of potential customers. Ebooks are another great vehicle for transporting your viral marketing message. This method has been and still is a great way to quickly spread your marketing message to the new potential customers, and it's very simple. All you have to do is create a short ebook containing valuable information pertaining to your field of interest, and then share it with your visitors and let them share it with their own visitors and other contacts. You want to include a nice blurb or ad for your most popular product with links to your website, and then you have something that people will pass around gladly. Now, if you run an affiliate program, you can give people even more reason to share your ebook by allowing them to brand it with their own affiliate links. And they get paid whenever somebody purchases something within that ebook. Now, you can also use software as viral marketing vehicles. You see, if you create or sell software, then why not share a trial or a light version of your software with your visitors? Just like with your ebook, tell them that they can share copies of the software or ebook with their own visitors and other contacts. Then we have template packages. Simply design your own website or other templates, include your own marketing information on them, give them away as free downloads or as an electronic package. Then after that, you can grant permission for recipients to pass them along. Let's look at articles. You can write articles that are related to your topic, include your website and contact information in the byline, and then grant permission for others to publish as long as they keep the byline intact. The byline is usually located at the bottom of the article, and it usually talks about you as the author. Okay, so if that's the case, other people are posting your articles on their blogs or on their pages, then people can use your contact on your websites, your e-zines, newsletters, and other places where, once again, viral marketing will speed the spread of information about your business. So that byline at the bottom of your article helps people find you. Let's look at videos. The ultimate viral vehicle is video. While the other methods that we touched on in this video are a great way to quickly spread your marketing message, video is one of the hottest types of viral marketing that you can use. For example, including cool video clips on your website will keep your visitors interested, and if you can create and upload your own videos to popular sites like YouTube for others to share, you will see an increase in traffic as well. Now, as we close this first video, I want to touch on one of the main reasons why starting a viral marketing campaign is such a good idea. And that reason is that it costs a lot less to implement than more traditional advertising, and it can be more effective in a much shorter period of time. You will also want to keep in mind that viral marketing is just one of the basic components of your overall marketing plan, and it should be linked with other strategies such as setting up squeeze pages to collect subscribers. When you take the time to combine viral marketing with other essential business building strategies, it can help you increase awareness about your business, generate traffic to your website, build a huge and solid customer base, add to your sales, and go a long way in contributing to your success. Now, we have a lot to go over in the next two videos if you want to learn how to use viral marketing to your advantage. So make sure you move on to the next video soon. We will be talking more about using viral marketing to start a buzz for your business. I'll see you on the next video. Hi, and welcome to the second lesson of Introduction to Viral Marketing. In this video, we're going to talk about getting a buzz on, and I'm not sure if you have noticed or not, but viral marketing has matured quite a bit over the past few years. There seems to have been a shift on the web. It's not just being used by big companies to run their ad campaigns anymore. It's being used by small businesses and even individuals to create a buzz before a new product even hits the market. Have you ever noticed that before a movie is released, you will see clips and trailers which are used to generate excitement and activity before the movie hits the theaters? Well, that's called buzz. Plain and simple, buzz works. Just like it works for the movies and big businesses, it can work for small and startup businesses as well. Now, the planning stage of viral marketing campaigns will set out objectives and develop the viral theme for a buzz. There are three core components to any viral campaign, and businesses of any size can use them. They are: number one, the creative content. The message you want to spread should be in a digital format, image, video, text, etc., as we discussed in the first video. And the trick is to put together something that people will want to share with their family, their friends, and coworkers. Now, keep in mind when you're creating your content that people are much more eager to share something that is fun, entertaining, or informative. And number two, seeding. This is the process of distributing and placing the creative content online in places that will provide the greatest potential for sharing in order to create awareness of your marketing message. These can include video, articles, images, and other types of sharing sites. Third is tracking. It is absolutely vital that you know what is and what is not working. You see, the only way to get that information is to track the results from your seeding. You must measure the spread of the campaign to provide accountability and to improve effectiveness. Creating a buzz is a very cost-effective way to market your business. You can actually create a buzz about your own product, service, or in your niche market with little or no money. And it is easier than ever before, especially with all of these social networking and sharing sites available today. You want to combine it with other viral marketing methods, and it is also a great way to build incoming links and get traffic coming to your website quickly. There's definitely some science involved in creating a successful buzz, but this technique is here to stay, and if used strategically, it can make a huge difference in the success of your business. So just take some time and create a solid viral marketing plan using the steps we have discussed. It won't be long before you actually get your buzz on. That's it for this lesson. In your final video, we will be talking about how to use online forums to quickly boost the effectiveness of your viral campaign and explore the possibilities of starting a mobile viral marketing campaign. Hi, and welcome to the third lesson of Introduction to Viral Marketing. In this final video lesson, we are going to briefly go over how you can use online forums to boost the effectiveness of your viral marketing campaign and explore the possibilities of starting a mobile viral marketing campaign. Now, let's start off with using online forums as a part of your viral marketing campaign. You see, online forums are a great way to boost the effectiveness of any marketing campaign. And when combined with viral marketing methods, it only increases your chances of success simply because you can quickly target your market and reach them with your message. Now, in order to be effective, this kind of marketing carries a certain degree of commitment, responsibility, and respect. Now, the first requirement is to take a personal interest in the main topic of the forum. That means visiting regularly and building a good relationship with both other members and the moderators, as well as taking an active interest in helping others. As a marketer, you must respect that the purpose of a forum is to exchange ideas on a given topic. It's not really to advertise products and services, because by focusing on a topic and posting questions and answers, your reputation will grow, and this naturally creates the potential for sales. Now, let's go over how you can take your viral marketing campaign mobile. Now, when I say mobile, I'm talking about mobile phones or mobile devices. Mobile devices are one of the last great frontiers of viral advertising opportunities. However, knowing the idea of unwanted advertising streaming through our cell phones is mobile devices are an ultimate opt-in medium, and therefore a great way for businesses to connect with customers in a whole new way. Now, you might have the question, how should marketers approach this medium? Well, with this medium, there are different types and different ways to achieve your goals without upsetting your prospects. Let's talk about offering exclusive content. Anyone can offer ringtones. It's the unique content that piques interest and sends them to other media like your email campaigns, newsletters, websites, videos, etc. A wireless campaign will be most effective when you offer exclusive content to your wireless subscribers, and you want to make it useful and timely. I want you to think about what would be handy and helpful to have on a mobile device. Well, last year, for example, Food Network enabled Sprint customers to download shopping lists for their Thanksgiving dinners. How can you apply that idea to your business? Think about it. A text usually takes priority over almost any form of communication. Why? Because we haven't yet been saturated with mobile spam. And this causes us to prioritize text messaging over voice. You see, mobile marketing has been around for a while, but it is still new territory to explore. And that is why I did not want to conclude this course without at least mentioning it. As you plan your campaign, keep in mind that a good viral marketing strategy takes advantage of common human motivations like greed, hunger, love, popularity, and understanding, just to name a few. If you can design a viral strategy that builds upon these motivations and behaviors, you will have a winner. Now, we have come to the end of this short video course, and while I have done my best to give you a brief introduction to viral marketing, there are still many techniques and strategies that you may want to learn if you want to start your own successful viral marketing campaigns. So do your research and start making your plan right away. Good luck with all your viral marketing campaigns.